You're probably wondering, why did I just stop dancing? Well, sometimes music has to stop so talking can begin. Hi everyone, welcome to my very first YouTube video. I have been dancing for years, teaching, performing. Until now, all you're seeing is me dance, but there's a whole other side of me that has been dying to come out. The one that reads all your comments, laughs, cries, and even sometimes questions everything. So today we are doing something fun, something honest, something probably a little chaotic. I'm going to react all your comments on my dance videos. Some of them made me feel like a queen, some of them made me spit my coffee, and some of them, well, let's just say I have thought. But beyond just reactions, this channel is going to be a mix of everything I love: dance behind the scene, bloopers, vlogs, tutorials, and a reaction video like this one, and all the randomness that makes life spicy. So if you're into a whole lot of Rashmi, then hit that subscribe button because you know this is just the beginning. Now let's get into these comments because you all really had some things to say. So the first comment is, your tailbone needs treatment. Okay, first of all, what? What exactly about my tailbone has triggered this medical emergency? I mean, like, was it too spicy, too sassy, or did it dance too hard? I think what you meant to say was my moves are so sharp that they are giving my spine a reaction. On that note, well, thank you. Wishing you and my tailbone a speedy recovery. Let's move on to the next comment. Totally agree to caption. Oh yeah, on this dance video, the caption is Roop Mera Mastana. Yes, finally someone gets it. Roop Tera Mastana was the past, and we are in the main character era now. So Roop Mera Mastana. Thanks for vibing with the energy, and you and I see the world the same way through a beauty filter. Oh, your hair is disturbing me a lot. Oh wait, I am so sorry, my hair are disturbing you? Let me fix that. Is this better? Listen, sir, the hair is the dance. The hair is the choreography, okay? So in Khaliji dance style, the hair has more stage time than the feet. So if you are disturbed, I suggest emotional preparation before you watch this video again.
Emotional damage.
Remembering our first Khaliji class, so effortlessly done, Rashmi. It's not as easy as you make it look. Oh my god, yes, I remember us spinning like confused Beyblades and bumping into each wall possible. But look at us now, we are so smooth, elegant, still a little chaotic, but yeah, effortless. Thanks for the love, those memories are gold. When you want to apply for a job in UAE, you know what? This one really had me rolling. Honestly, yes. Resume. And hey, if anyone hiring in UAE, please hit me up. I'm ready. I come with dance moves and HR approved vibes. Preferably with visa sponsorship, please.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine. But
Haircut show off, dance. Okay, fine. Like, you got it. Yes, this was a tiny bit of hair show off moment. I mean, look at her. She's shiny, she's flowy, she has her own personality. But don't worry, next time I'll do a dance called How to Tame This Hair in 60 Seconds. The next one is, which oil use for hair, dear? Nice dance. Oh, thank you. So the real star here is the oil. Honestly, it's a mix. Sometimes it's coconut oil, sometimes it's almond oil, sometimes it's all the serums, and sometimes it's just prayers. But seriously, I take hair care very seriously, because if the Khaliji hair flip doesn't slap, did you even Khaliji? Thanks for watching. Just want to know if she can make a roti. Wow. I just did precision hip accents on live drum beats, and all you could think Was a roti? The patriarchy is shaking. But okay, I see your concern. You're worried that I'm neglecting my chapati skills. But let me tell you, let me assure you, I make chapatis so round that even geometry teachers get emotional. Borderless, soft, and puffed, just like your expectations. Wanna see me make a roti? Drop a comment down below. And don't blame me if chapati starts dancing too. My grandmother likes you. Oh, thank you so much. Tell your grandma I said thank you. Honestly, if I'm granny approved, then I have made it in life because you know the real OGs have good taste. Also, respect to your grandma for vibing with this video. Thank you so much for watching. Why can I smell this video? Wait, you can smell this? Bro, what kind of 4D settings are you watching this on? I know, I get it. Smells like confidence, sass, and the body spray I haven't used since 2012. Or maybe it's just the burning desire to learn belly dancing. You mistaken it for smell. Either way, thanks for watching with all your senses. Take a bath someday. Sir, madam, I just did a 3-minute cardio. The person who needs shower here is you for sweating so hard over this dance video. Thanks for the reminder, but next time I will cleanse my aura, if that's what you really meant. Next comment is Rashmi giving me 90s vibe once again. Oh my god, yes, I know, right? Like 90s is a whole other vibe. It's a whole brand. I mean, I don't think 90s songs can ever be recreated again. I still remember I used to dance with my mom on all these 90s songs, and we used to dance on bed. I remember we literally broke the bed. 90s is... it's beautiful. And looks like this comment is from my friend Sanskar. So shout out to Sanskar. Thank you so much for always hyping me up. And the next comment is... ooh! Oh my god, yes, I knew someone will spot the Beaver's Lake behind me. Yes, I am in Canada and Montreal has always been my go-to weekend escape. It's one of those cities whenever you go, you feel like a little vacation there. Back when I lived in Ottawa, I used to go to Montreal very often, but almost every weekend. Now that I am in Toronto, I don't get to go to Montreal very often. I really miss it. That city has such a unique vibe. I mean, the culture, the people, it's very different and I don't know, I love it. There is just something about the air there. It's just hits different. The next one is... there's a price ticket? Okay, so first of all, that is not a price ticket. It's a brand label, you know, like fashion. But I get it, when the outfit is so fire, even the label gets the attention. Next time I'll just add a QR code so you can just scan and shop directly. You need better videographer. I agree. Videographer, if you are watching this video, you heard the people, right? I have been protecting your honor, but they are all onto you now, and consider this your official performance review. But no pressure. Next time, lighting, cameras, and maybe even a drone. Love you though. And finally, this comment right here needs a round of applause. I don't know who you are, but you are officially now president of Vigo Gym fan club. How did you do that? This is how orchestra happens in Bihar's weddings. Okay, so those of you who don't know, Bihar is a state in India and their songs, the language is Bhojpuri and their songs are just, they hit different and it's just vibe. Like, I mean, I love them. Now I am curious, like what kind of weddings are happening in Bihar. And can I RSVP? If there is floor work and full drama, then count me in. Also, I think I might have just unlocked a new career path. But where is the dance? Honestly, when I was editing this video, I was thinking the same thing. Somewhere between the dance floor and the music, looks like the dance just clocked out of his shift. But hey, like, I mean, sometimes you have to feel the song, you know? Okay, the next comment is stunning, vivacious sensuousness, redefining beautiful, gorgeous, graceful, stylish, cool girl with scintillating, savage, ravishing, scorching dance moves. Okay, wait. Did you just drop every adjective from English language in one sentence? I'm honestly flattered after reading this comment, but I'm also concerned that are you okay after writing this comment? Did you survive? Thank you for the word buffet. I might just set this as an alarm every morning to hype myself up. Oh, alright, that's enough laughing, roasting, and self exposure for one video. And thanks for sticking around while I reacted to all the comments from tailbones, chapatis, and weddings. This was my first ever YouTube video, and honestly, I had so much fun filming it. So, you know, more is coming. If you vibe with this one, hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment even if it's a fire emoji, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Much love. Peace out. Guys, have you met Gloria yet? Look how beautiful she is. Look at her curves.